I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Edge has enough battery or is on charger so shutdown completes cleanly. Once done, remove the unit from tight mounts so you can access the power button without obstructing the LED. Now press and hold the main power button for about 5 seconds. You'll feel a click and see LEDs change. This first long press tells the device to end active audio and prepare to power off rather than just sleep, which prevents Bluetooth reconnect loops. Once you've held the button, keep holding until the lights extinguish or you hear the spoken cue saying the unit is powering off, typically around 7 to 10 seconds on some Edge models. If your phone or other paired devices try to reconnect, momentarily disable Bluetooth on the phone so the Edge finishes off. Make sure to check the companion app for a final status. It may show the device as offline, which confirms the shutdown completed rather than a brief sleep mode. To finish, place the powered-off Edge in a dry, temperate spot to protect the battery. If the unit won't power off normally, force a shutdown by pressing and holding power plus the lower volume button for 10 seconds. That hardware reset forces the system off. If it still behaves oddly, plug into a charger for 15 to 30 minutes and repeat the normal long press power-off sequence. Low battery can prevent clean shutdowns, so a short charge often resolves the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.